Welcome to my channel. Arteries are blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart to the rest of the body. Diet and lifestyle choices may cause arteries to become clogged, which increase the likelihood of cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular disease include coronary artery disease, acute myocardial infarction arterial disease, peripheral arterial disease, stroke. Stroke is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. When the artery becomes clogged, it's called atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is a disease of the artery due to buildup of fat, cholesterol, and other substances in and on the artery wall. A buildup of cholesterol, plaque in the wall of the artery causes obstruction of blood flow. How can ginger help in the prevention of cardiovascular diseases? There are compounds in ginger that help reduce cholesterol and LDL level. The name of these two bioactive compounds are aGrowGrow and gingerol. Ginger has medicinal properties that help in preventing blood clot in the blood vessel of the heart. Ginger helps lower blood pressure. Ginger is an antioxidant and has potent anti-inflammatory effects. Ginger consumption increases activity of the liver enzymes and decrease level of intestinal cholesterol absorptions, which inhibit lipid peroxidations through its antioxidant effects. Lipid peroxidations is the chain reaction of oxidative degradations of lipid resulting in cell damage. Ginger consumption helps prevent lipid peroxidations. What are lipids in the human body? Lipids are molecules which contain hydrocarbons, perform many functions from storing energy to structural components and even cell signaling. The homeostatic functions of the human body rely heavily on fat and lipid. Homeostatic function is a self-regulating process by which your own body can maintain internal stability while adjusting to changing external conditions. The point is that ginger helps to keep your heart healthy. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.